Now if you see over here, we have created this animation, but this animation looks very rigid kind of, or very simple, and I want a little bit smooth animation. So at this time what we can do, I can select all of my keyframes, I can simply right click and I can go to the keyframe assistance option, and over here I can choose easy ease. The shortcut key is simply hit F9. So if you click over here, as you guys can see, the symbol of this keyframe was also changed. And now if you see over here, we will get different animation, like our animation is little bit smoother. If I hit Control Z, and if you see this animation is very rigid. But if I hit F9 and apply ease in ease out, as you guys can see, we are getting different stuffs. So what is ease in ease out? Let's try to understand. And now let's select those keyframe, and if you see this animation over here, and if you check out this path, you will get this kind of dots over here, like small structure. These are the basic representation of the speed of this entire animation. Okay, so what they are representing, like if you see the distance between these dots are similar, which means the speed of this animation is constant. Okay, but as soon as you hit F9 on it, if you see over here, at this point the distance between these dots are very less. At this point distance is very high, and at the end of this portion the distance is becoming very less. So what this indicates, that initially the speed is gonna be slow, at this point the speed is gonna be fast, and as the animation comes to an end, the speed is gonna be slow again, which means initial speed is going to be slow, in middle speed will become fast, and at this point the speed will become slow. Okay, so basically these are the representative, that at this point your speed of your animation is gonna be slow. Similarly, along with that, there are different options as well. Like if you right click keyframe assistance, you will get ease in eases, which basically same options. Similarly, over here you will get easy ease out, which are different one. Okay, like that. So these are the options that you can play around with this. Similarly, you will get this extra options which we are not going to use in this animation, but just for the knowledge you can see. If you right click keyframe assistance, you will get this option called time reverse keyframe. From name itself you can understand that it will gonna be reverse your animation. So if you click on it, and now if you hit play, as you guys can see, we are getting this weird stuff over here. Like if you, let's for example, let's delete this opacity keyframe for now, and let's make this 100. Now as you guys can see, my animation is starting from here and coming over here, like that. Okay, so this is the time reverse keyframes concept, which we are not going to use this in this animation, but just for the reference I have told you.